In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use attachments in Smartsheet to keep your project files organized. If you've ever lost time digging through emails or chats to find the right file, this tutorial is going to help you streamline your workflow. By the end, you'll know how to attach files to your sheet or to specific rows, and how to keep everything tidy so your team can find exactly what they need. With your Smartsheet open, look to the right side of your screen for the paperclip icon in the panel. Click that to open the Attachments panel. This is your central hub for managing files related to your project. From here, you can decide whether to attach files to the entire sheet, to a specific row, or simply view all attachments in one place. Think of sheet-level attachments as resources for everyone and row-level attachments as documents tied to a particular task. Let's start with attaching a file to the entire sheet. This is perfect for items like project briefs, timelines, reference images, or PDFs your whole team will use. Click Upload a file, then select a file from your computer. You can add documents, images, spreadsheets, or any relevant file. Once it's uploaded, anyone with permission to view the sheet can open or download it anytime. A quick tip: use clear, descriptive file names so people can identify the right file at a glance and avoid duplicates when possible to keep things clean. Now let's attach a file to a specific row. This is especially helpful when you want to link a document directly to a task, issue, or deliverable. Click on the row you're working with and look for the small paperclip icon that appears. Click it, choose your file, and upload. After it's added, you'll see the attachment icon on that row, signaling to you and your teammates that supporting files are available right where they're needed. This keeps context and content together, which is great for accountability and quick reviews. As your project grows, so will your attachments. To stay organized, head back to the Attachments panel and use the drop-down menu in the top right. You can sort by newest, oldest, alphabetical order, or file size. Sorting makes it easy to find recent uploads or track down larger documents when you're managing storage. That's all there is to it. Using attachments in Smartsheet keeps key files one click away from the work they support. If this was helpful, give the video a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified when new uploads go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.